Here we have a missing number multiplication. Something times 40 equals 3,200. We know that 32 is a multiple of 4 and that 8 times 4 is 32, so that's our first digit. Now we need to look at the zeros. There are 2 end zeros in the answer, so we know that there needs to be 2 end zeros in the question. So our missing number must be 80. So what number multiplied by 50 equals 3,500? Well, we know that 7 times 5 is 35, so that's our first digit. And then, because there are 2 end zeros in the answer, we need another end zero in the question. So 70 times 50 is 3,500. But now, what times 90 equals 27,000? Well, we know that 3 times 9 equals 27. But now we need to think carefully about our zeros. There are 3 end zeros in the answer, but in our question, so far we only have 1 end zero, so we need 2 more. 300 times 90 equals 27,000, because 3 times 9 is 27, and then because there are 3 end zeros in our question, we have 3 end zeros in our answer. Now we have something times 50 equals 20,000. Well, we can't times by 5 to get 2, but we do know that 4 times 5 is 20. And here's where it gets confusing. Because we multiplied 4 by 5 to get 20, really our answer only has 3 end zeros, because we got this 0 in our thousands place by multiplying the non-zero digits in our question. So we can't count this 0 as an end zero. So now, because we know that we really only have 3 end zeros in our answer, we need to make sure that we have 3 end zeros in our question. We have 1 end zero here, but we need 2 more, so we need 400 times 50 to get 20,000. Now, what times 400 equals 240,000? 6 times 4 is 24, and we have 4 end zeros in our answer, so we need 600 times 400, so that we have 2 end zeros in each of the numbers in our question to make 4 end zeros in our answer. So what times 200 equals 80,000? We know that 4 times 2 is 8, and now, because we have 4 end zeros in our answer, we need 2 more end zeros in our question, so 400 times 200 is 80,000.